Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by importing both files into Capcut so you have visuals and sound side by side. Tap Add, choose Video, then Audio. Make sure audio is trimmed to the general section you want. Once done, place audio on the timeline under the video and lock any clips you won't move. This prevents accidental shifts while you line up lip hits. Make sure playback is set to real time so you can hear both tracks as you nudge pieces into place. Now you focus on matching phonemes to mouth movements, zoom into the waveform, and locate strong peaks for syllables. You nudge the audio left or right using 0, 1 second, or single-frame adjustments until consonant hits align with visible lip closures. Once a good anchor is found, split the audio and add markers at those points so changes don't shift later. Also scrub frame by frame while toggling mute to confirm that vowels and breaths land naturally with expressions. Finish by smoothing any abrupt audio edits. Add short fades at splits and use tiny pitch adjustments only if mouth shapes seem off. Play the full timeline, listen for drift across the clip, and perform micro nudges or resplits to re-anchor problem sections. When satisfied, set export resolution and enable high-quality audio, then render. Troubleshooting tip: if sync drifts during export, double-check project frame rate matches source footage and re-export. Mismatched FPS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.